else to do. I mean, seriously. Gosh. You really don't give me much to do.
You just take the mask off.
I did. I was going to put it on to scare Hunter. He jumped a little. But he's kind of expecting it now. Am I really that predictable? Ew.
Who's predictable?
Am I really that predictable?
No. Nobody called you predictable.
Well, Hunter's getting used to me scaring him now. See, usually he's scared like a little, he screams like a little baby. Now he doesn't.
Well, he's growing up.
He still acts like a kid.
No, I'm trying to fix my lunch for tomorrow.
Okay. Ew. My mother's closet.
Put my stuff up for me. Time to bed.
Fine.
Okay? Good girl.
Okay. Hi.
Why are you in my room playing with my stuff?
Because I got bored.
Well, it's time for bed.
Okay. I'm recording you.
Fine.